Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by copper gold developer Hot Chili, ASX code HCH. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the Managing Director of Hot Chili, Christian Easterday. Hi, Christian.
Hi, Matt.
Okay, so Hot Chili is developing its massive Costa Fuego porphyry project in Chile, where it already has two serious copper gold deposits that combined are likely in the top 10 copper deposits globally. Last year, the company took an option over an additional piece of ground just to the south of Costa Fuego called Verde, and recently hit copper gold pay dirt down there too with the drill bit. Okay, Christian, we'll get to those drill results in a moment at Verde, but firstly, just remind me of the size of the resource at your existing Costa Fuego project, because it's pretty damn big, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's a monster. Around 1 billion tonnes of resources defined for about 3.5 million tonnes of copper and 3 million ounces of gold, with 85% of that in the indicated basket.
Okay, well, let's get into these recent drill results just to the south of that mega project. You're calling Verde. You just picked it up last year. What are the best 2 or 3 results from the latest drill campaign there?
Very, very exciting to be on the cusp of a third major discovery. Intercepts like 308 metres at 0.5% copper, 0.3 grams per tonne gold, supported by high-grade intervals of 100 metres, running 0.7% copper and 0.3 gold, all from shallow depths, and most of our holes are all finishing in mineralisation.
Now, I know Hot Chili's also run a preliminary economic study on the existing Costa Fuego project to the north of this new discovery, and I'm keen just to run through them. I'm sure they're a bit out of date now because it was done some time ago, but just for fun, let's run through the numbers on that study because it doesn't include this new discovery, and I'd be curious to see how the new discovery and the updated numbers impact it. But let's just go back and have a look at that study on Costa Fuego. What copper price did you use for it?
$3.85 per pound copper.
And what will it cost you under that PEA to produce a pound of copper, and how much is it selling for today?
Look, our all-in costs are around about $2.48 per pound copper, and we have a current price of about $4.60 per pound copper in the market today.
And what sort of mine life are you predicting, and what's the annual profit? Let's go with EBITDA.
Yeah, 16 years mine life and a post-tax NPV of around 1.1 billion US.
And what about annual EBITDA?
Our annual EBITDA is around 445 million US per year.
Okay, and what will it cost you to build, and how long will it take you to pay that capital back?
Very, very low capital intensity, $1 billion to build, putting out around 100,000 tonnes of copper and 50,000 ounces of gold, which makes it one of the lowest capital intensity major copper projects in the world. And
I'm guessing that this new discovery to the south will likely have a pretty serious impact on those numbers at some stage. Is that what you're thinking?
Yes, it certainly will. It won't slow us down from the pre-feasibility we're due to release at the end of this quarter, but what it does do is speak to the scale-up opportunity to lift the production scale and the mine life on Costa Fuego.
Christian Easterday from Hot Chili, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears, and remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should of course seek independently. I'm Matt Birney and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB, 3AW and 4BC websites and click the Public Companies tab.